Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So this is a quick update on Smart Layer. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to check your Smart Layer eligibility, if you got the token or not, because a lot of you are requesting for this video. So unfortunately I did not qualify for the airdrop, but still yet we still hope for many more greens in our wallet. So for those of you that participated in this campaign, this is how to check if you got the Smart Layer token or not. So what you need to do, I'm going to drop this link at the description of this video, because this link I'm going to get it from their official X account, formerly known as Twitter. So I'm going to use this link so that you can check if we got the Smart Layer token or not. Then it's going to bring you here. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. I've already dropped it in my Telegram group. I know a lot of you have checked already, but a lot of you don't know how to check. This is how to go about it. So for those of you that use Joy ID in participating in this campaign, what you need to do after checking your connected EVM wallet like MetaMask wallet or OKX exchange, and you are not eligible, you can go and get your Joy ID receiver's address and come and check it if you got. So what you need to do is to copy your address. So I'm going to copy my MetaMask address and I'm going to paste it here. So if you paste it here, what you need to do is to click on check eligibility. You can connect your wallet to check, but to make it easier for you, just click on check eligibility even without connecting. So you just click here. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you can see that you are not eligible for the airdrop. Check eligibility rules. So for those of you that got the airdrop, congratulations. So if you did not get this, please don't give up. There are many airdrop rewards coming up. Just stay active to this page and we are going to go to the moon. So very soon Beanpool is going to launch. I made a video about it, so I guess a lot of you that are active on Beanpool are going to get Beanpool reward in the future. So guys, this is how to check if you got the Smart Layer airdrop token. And in case you check your wallet and you connected your Smart Layer to Joy ID, copy your Joy ID receiver's address and come and paste it here and click on check eligibility. Just make sure to refresh the page. You are going to see option for check eligibility. Try it again, then you're good to go. If you qualify, just click on connect wallet, select either Joy ID, passkey, or your MetaMask or OKX, depending on the wallet you use. Then you can claim your token. For you to claim, you need ETH in your wallet, because they are going to charge you ETH as gas fee. So if you don't have ETH, it is good you get like $30 worth of ETH from any centralized exchange to your wallet for you to process it, because the centralized exchange are going to charge you. Claiming, they are going to charge you. For you to send Smart Layer token to any exchange that supports Smart Layer token, MetaMask are going to charge you. So going through all those processes, it is still worth it, because the least Smart Layer token I've seen is 33 so far. Times 33 times $6, that is massive guys. So it is still worth it. So congratulations. And a lot of you are asking me, AG Update, what is the criteria for this? Well, currently guys, the team of this project did not announce criteria. According to them, the distribution was like a raffle, but I am not too sure yet. So if I get any vital information on how they did the distribution, then I'm going to tell you guys. So this is what you need to know as a return of making this video, and how to check if you got the Smart Layer airdrop token or not. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.